In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Mount and Blade 2 unable to start the game, crashing. Now what you want to do is you want to find our Steam folder. A quick way to do this is just head over to Steam, right click any game that you have installed, Properties, Installed Files, and press Browse. Then you want to come back to Common, find your game file right here, Mount and Blade 2 Remastered, open it, go to Modules, Sandbox, Module Data, Languages, and then what you want to do is you want to delete CNS. So delete this folder and then you can close it down. If it's not letting you delete it, it's because you have the game open and you want to close it down. Once we've done that, you want to find the game on Steam again and you want to right click on it, Mount and Blade 2, and then you want to come to this page. Go to Installed Files and verify integrity of game files. After that, head back to General, come in Launch Options and type Windowed, just like this, and then you can close it down. If it still doesn't work after this, what I suggest you do is you just right click on the game, Properties, Installed Files, Browse, then you want to find the Mount and Blade 2 exe file, right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, check this one, Windows 8, and check these two. Press Apply, OK, and try and launch now. Now if it still doesn't work, I suggest you just restart your PC and these changes can take effect and then it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.